Hi everyone, it's Carlos Avalos here, your local realtor with NextHome Real Estate Rockstars. Are you looking to sell your home this summer? If so, here are 3 quick tips to get it market ready. Tip number 1, declutter and depersonalize your home. Remember, buyers want to envision their life there, not yours. And by having so much personal items around, for example, pictures of your family on the walls, it is difficult for buyers to envision themselves living there. Tip number 2, boost curb appeal. A fresh lawn, flowers, and a clean entryway will make a big first impression. Tip number 3, make small repairs. For example, repair leaky faucets, a fresh coat of paint, some touch-ups will go a long way, and make sure all your lights work. If you want a free prep list, message me today and I'll get that over to you. Or if you're looking for Rose or myself to go to your home and give you advice on what needs to be repaired or changed, feel free to send us a message today or contact us directly on our phones. Our contact information will be posted under the description here. And remember, whether you're buying or selling in the Santa Clarita Valley, San Fernando Valley, or adjacent cities, we would love to be of service to you and put our 21 years of experience to work for you. Take care and enjoy your summer. Bye-bye. Talk soon.